Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 GLC 300 4MATIC Coupe. This one's a polar white. Underneath here is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has an illuminated star in the grille, AMG exterior and interior line, 20-inch multi-spoke AMG wheels, front and rear LED daytime running lights, black MB Tex interior with a natural grain black ash wood trim, sunroof, GLC 300 4MATIC badging, rear spoiler, power liftgate, clean set of all-season floor mats, fold down rear seats, Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, LED logo which appears when you open the door, Mercedes-Benz illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, multimedia package with voice command and navigation, surround view backup camera, parking assistance package with front and rear sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This GLC Coupe has 31,247 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC Coupe, check out feldmanimports.com.